Hey everyone, it's me, Lady V, back with another sew project. So today we're doing the crossback dress, Kiddie edition. I am showing you it on the mannequin, and let me take the pieces apart so you can see the basic pattern itself. As you can see, you're going to have two bodices. You're going to have plenty of straps because your straps have to be long enough to cross in the back. So the body is going to have a tiny piece of lining where you're also going to insert your straps. And then we've got the skirt bottoms. So this is me actually sewing on the placket where my channels will be and where my little tabs will be. As you can see, front, back, cover it up with another piece, sew it on down, and secure those into place. This is very simple. We're mostly using rectangles in this pattern. And if you understand shapes and you're a visual type of person like me, throwing these type of tiny dresses together are really easy. So this is us halfway through the project. We got the bodice on, and now all we're doing is the skirt. We got to make a channel to put the elastic through so it will fit nicely. And as you can see, everything is ready to go. And this is our final look. I put it on the mannequin because my daughters aren't here to try them on. But that's it. See you in our next project. Thanks for watching.